Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the device details and enabling tools you'll use. Turn on developer options, enable USB debugging, and allow OEM unlocking if available. This permits firmware-level changes. Next, connect the phone to your computer with a reliable cable and make sure battery is above 50% to avoid interruptions. Once done, install minimal drivers and ADB/fastboot on your PC so commands run. You need these prerequisites now because they let you flash, sideload, and check certification status securely. You'll now install Google Mobile Services using the proper package for your build. Mismatched files break certification. Boot to recovery or use ADB sideload, then install GMS packages in the recommended sequence. Services framework first, then Play Services, then Play Store, because dependencies matter. After installation, reboot and sign into your Google account. Make sure to update Google Play Services via the Play Store. Once done, open Play Store and let it sync. This helps the system register the new services with device identifiers. You finish by verifying Play Protect certification inside the Play Store settings. This confirms successful attestation. If the device still shows not certified, run the recommended ADB commands to reset Google Services Framework and clear Play Store data, then reboot. This forces a fresh handshake. If problems persist, reflash the exact stock firmware for your model or restore your full backup and repeat the GMS install sequence. Key troubleshooting tip: always use matching firmware and GMS files. Mismatches are the most common failure cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.